Ooh, pretty stars. So beautiful. Oh wait, there's a moon. There's a moon. I see a few stars. Anyways, monkey mischief or mischief. I don't know. Whatever. I'm lying on the ground right now. For some reason my game keeps on glitching, so it makes me tall or short. Anyways, welcome. My name is Clutchy, and today we are playing Monkey Mischief. I have actually never played this before. This is I'm reacting to this. Hey yo, the monkey. Okay. Wow. Currently not in the room. My arms are so thin. Ooh. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a girl tag. Is that my face? Okay, Okay. Ooh, there's some soda. Okay. Ice cream. Wait. What? Long before time had a name. First spinches. Okay. Crown, party hat, gingerbread man. Okay. Gnome, little pirate hat, lava monkey, baby monkey, and then watermelon hat. Oh my god. Okay, first off, the snow here looks beautiful. My arms, oh my god. Yeah, and that music. Okay, let's go down the stairways of truth. At least, I call them that. I literally just came up with the name right now. Okay, I don't want to slide down. I will slide down eventually, but just not now. Oh, okay, the question is, can you pinch climb? You can pinch climb, okay, so this is basically just gorilla tag for free. Even though that gorilla tag is already free. Basically just kind of like gorilla tag from Wish. It probably does a hard mode, which I might play in a different video. Just, however, yeah, not my type right now. Wait. Oh my god, they're moving objects. Okay, okay, my arms are not long. Oh, well, I want to see what's over here. I can, like, close any of my fingers. Well, okay, I can do that. Whoa. This, oh my god, there's a big one. Wait, can I hit this? Please, American. Hold on. One for all, that joy. Smash! Oh, that. Texas smash! Oh, I did one. Shoot style! Wait, that was smash! Oh, you look a bit familiar. One for all, the joint smash! Yeah. Wait, can I go on top of it? Wait, please tell me I can go on top of it. Okay, it's probably slippery. Oh, okay, there's a slide? Okay, I'll probably do the slide for last. Oh, peaceful. Oh, look, I'm pink. Okay, now, I wonder if there's different game modes. Wait, is this a penguin? I nominated a bang. Wait. Yeah. I can pick stuff up. Oh, jeez. I never knew you could pick stuff up. Oh, wait. Wow, I had the perfect idea. Oh my god, that must be like very hard to get up there. Hold on, wait. Ah! Oh, that didn't go very far. Whee! Wait, what? Meow. Oh my god! Oh my god! What is going on? Whee! Oh my god! 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 Oh, Ooh, okay. So this is like this wall where you go like side to side and grill tag. Ooh, there's like different sound effects for like the planks. I'm not really good at it. Wait. Okay, so the trigger makes Oh wait, no, I forgot. Hold on, wait. One for all. The joint smash! Oh my god! Delaware smash! The joint smash! Oh, I'm giving you a buff. Oh my god, this is like, wait. Can I like climb on walls? No, okay, I cannot. Wow, okay. I just like, I don't know what to do right now. Like, there's so much to do. Like, there's so much. Like, okay, my goal is to somehow get to that slide. I think it might be very easy the way that I have rocket boost. You know? Imagine you get in at that. Imagine this was in girls, like. Oh, jeez. Huh, can I like. Oh, wait. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, jeez. Oh, imagine you could like drift. That'd be really cool. Oh, no! I did not know that's how it happened. No, I had to redo that all over again. How do I get up there? There has to be some way. Oh no. So can you like fly? Well, I only have one idea. That's climbing up there, but like, I don't really think it would be that hard, but I guess it's the only choice I got. Woo! Okay. Should I also boost? No. Maybe I like the end. Oh, okay, it's lagging. Oh my god! Oh my god! You can literally fly. Literally fly. Can I like go like slow? That has to be. Oh my god! Wait. So if you press on the trigger buttons, you could like climb our walls. I think that's what it's. What the? Penguin, what are you doing here? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah. Okay. Yeah. So apparently, when you press down the trigger, you can just like climb up the walls. That is actually really cool. Oh my god. I'm climbing on the ceiling. Oh my god! I am Spider-Man! Hold on, wait. Oh, you already know. Oh my god. That wasn't really as cool. But it was still freaking cool. Wait, what's this? Oh no, it's Little Monkey. I thought it was something a little bit inappropriate. He just wants to play. Let's let him. Oh no! No! Hold on, wait. Take what I'm taking. I'm flying. I'm Superman. Now I'm Spider-Man. Can I get outside the map for this? Oh, fire! Okay. So, yeah, let's go back up there. And oh my god, okay. Bro. Like literally you could become Spider-Man. Currently not in a room. How do I go inside a room then? Hold on, wait. Okay, let's see this. In newest update, you can now buy crystals to support. We will be bringing out more cosmetics for you to buy. Fix some bugs. Server still inactive. Oh, so there's no servers right now. Next update, single player horror and lore begins. Horror? Warning. Please be patient. Please be patient. We have some Okay, I cannot understand this writing a lot. over research problems with the servers and have to pay 23k. So we are stopping all servers. We are trying to fix. Please wait. Yeah, if you want to support, you can buy crystals. Will be greatly appreciated. And we are soon reversing all the maps back to normal. I kind of miss the snow. You know, like snowballs. Well, they'll probably be like rocks. What's my mother name? Rock. Wait. Oh yeah. What? Aw. Oh yeah, we going downtown. Oh jeez. Oh my god. I have to make sure to stick on it all the time. Whee! Okay, I would definitely recommend trying this out. It's free, it's on App Lab. The game is Monkey Mischief. Yeah, I mind that here since there's not really anything else to do. Let's just take a look around in super fast monkey car. Okay, it's not with, you don't really have to like move your hands up, but I still do it. And you only have to use one, I think, wait. Yeah, okay. It's monkey. Ah! It's monkey. Hey. No, just before I go, is there any auto buttons? So I know what grab is, but like, what if you can like, just look? Oh, so it doesn't work with this one. It's only this trigger. So without the thing, with the thing. Now I don't even know if this is what like you're supposed to do with this button, but yeah, I think that's the only like button that really does something. Ah! So yeah, I'm probably gonna do more of this. I actually really like this. Wait, hold on. Oh jeez. Okay. Wait. It's like I'm grappled onto something, like from like Attack on Titan. It's like. It's the Titan's name. Ready? This is the Titan's name. Yeah! Or like My Hero Academia. You know? Wait, hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Fireball Jutsu! Yeah, that probably was a bit too loud for you. I don't know. What about Shadow Jutsu? I don't see anything. I mean, I'll look up more about this game, and I'll know when I do a part 2. Like, so I'll know more when I do a part 2. Or unless if I already know everything. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's just go to the tippy top and say our goodbyes. yeah. So that's where I'm gonna leave it. Oh, okay, my ads are still here. Yeah. I'm probably gonna play more of this game. Anyways, bye.